Hey everybody, welcome to Pepperina's World. Today I will be discussing what makeup I used on my face. I'll show you a quick picture. Okay, so the stuff that I used on my face today is RMS Beauty. I know the lighting is just horrible. I used this Hidden Desire palette, and the colors I used on my eyes, I used this, wait, which one? Now I'm confused. Oh, on my inner eyes, in the very corner, I used this color right here, which is Mind Control. Then I used this one up here, which is Guilty, this pink one. And then on the corner ends, I used this one up here, which is True Love. And then I highlighted my sides and the bridge of my nose and the tip with this highlighter, which is Mystic Moment Luminizing Powder. I forgot to tell you, the blush I also use, it's Passion Play. So that's everything I use from this palette. For my mascara, I used Alima Pure Color Black. So this is what I used. For my lips, I use Buddha Butter, the Naked Lip, Purely Naked Eco Balm. I have no idea if you guys can see that. There it goes. For my face, I used Alima Pure Foundation. I used color Warm 6 around my eyes, and then Warm 7 for the rest of my face. Did I use anything else? Oh, and then I don't even know if y'all can see it. I did a liner of like an eyeliner, and that I used an eyeshadow from Honeybee Gardens, the Party Girl, and I used the velour purple color right here. So that's what I used as an eyeliner. All I did was dip my brush in water and created an eyeliner. Because you can do that technically with any eyeshadow. But I always forget that you can do that. So, yeah. That's everything I used today. This is just a quick video just to tell you guys what I used. I will post some pictures. And as always, thank you guys for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe. See you later. Bye.